chicken. No chew needed. You don't need to chew your food. Cheers! That's banging. Big up the dinners. You know the rules. But yeah, and dinner. Listen, we're at the Harvester, you know the rules. We've got pork belly, chips and ratatouille. I've never had this ratatouille. Big up ratatouille. Big up the free range pigs. That's so good. That was too big of a bite, I apologise. That's not bad, that's actually really nice. Breakfast with Bevo. Big up the breakfast, big up the Rice Krispies. Big up, let's go for it. Banging.